You might want water. I don't get it.
Can you stop talking? So behind these trees is the train tracks where these train cars would have come down and fallen and have been here since 1956. There's apparently 7 of them. There's a few more that are a bit further along as well. Yeah, it's not too hard of a walk. It's more of a walk than a hike, and it's kind of a cool end result. Right, Roar? Yeah. Boy.
Hey guys, so we're just starting up a new video. I look really red. It's because I am actually really red. I was out biking and it's very hot outside. So anyways, this is the obligatory room video. It's pretty good. Okay, well, it's very nice. Downstairs one has a deep tub. Kind of a crummy shower here, but deep tub with jets, which is super cool. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, I know, there's an upstairs. Okay, Rory, you go upstairs? Let's go. No, upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Go on. It's very steep. Yeah, it's very steep. So we come upstairs, and there's the bed. Super nice. There's 2 lights there, and this is actually like kind of a what's the word? It's kind of there's a sauna. We expected a sauna. Not that I'm going to use a sauna in the middle of summer. It's just like a little bit ridiculous, but it's kind of cool. It smells like sauna, like dry wood in here. Let's get out of here. I need to be in here. TV. And then the upstairs one, same kind of color lighting. I don't really like this like orangey red, or reddy kind of like lighting. Washroom, and then the shower head's pretty nice. Looks like it's like a little bit angled. The tub's not as deep, but I don't plan on having a soaker tub anyways. Like I'm not gonna go soak right now. And then the downstairs. This is an easy way to do it. This is our downstairs. Hi, Leslie. So this is the second bed. Leslie's mom's gonna stay on that. Just gonna move that over there and then pull the bed out. We get a view, like a very nice view. Air conditioning, which if they didn't have that little like square thing around there to make it kind of look nice, that air conditioning would work a lot better. Let's go downstairs. Yeah, downstairs. Some more like little storage. Very good use. What's in here? Anything? Oh, there's another one down here for Mom if she wants to use one. Fridge is pretty nice. It's super clean, obviously. Freezer, little kitchenette, and then like a dishwasher. Nice place to eat. Some pictures, TV. And the best part, in my opinion anyways, is the outside view. We're gonna get time lapse from overnight tonight once the sun goes down. Well, the bikers, mountain's closed now, so there won't be too many more bikes going around because the mountain's closed. But there's Blackcomb and Whistler's just on the other side here where you can't see. so cool. Really nice place. Yeah, Rory loves it too. You can tell how happy he is. He's so happy. And Leslie, not so much. I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
That's not the way we're going.
No, it's this way. I'm pretty sure it's this way too.
I have faith.
You have faith?
I have faith.
You have faith in my drunkenness?
I don't know what's wrong with you.
I'm drunk.
I don't know what's wrong.
Is that the dog you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh.
From like far away, it kind of looks
Yeah.
like. From far away, it like. I just saw the colors and was like,
Oh, I could see how that would look like a corgi. Anyways,
especially a baby corgi when their fur isn't fully developed.
right. So we're not going to movies, we're going to cows.
Did you already tell the vlog that you're
No, I did not. No, I am just getting there to the fact that that apparently I'm very drunk. And I thought we were going to moose, because that's what Leslie kept saying was moose. So I thought...
I keep saying, I said move over.
Yeah. No, it moved because it's moose.
No, it's because it's cows.
It's moose. So now you can understand why I got moose, because you said it moves.
I didn't say moved, I said moved.
Okay.
You happy?
All right, so we finished our moo products, and Rory got a little bit of cone and ice cream from Mummy. We're just off to the rings, which aren't even lit up. Yeah. Well, I'm sure there's only so many corgis here in the...
Remember it, like, that's how important, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
the impression he got.
Right.
He liked Rory, so he remembered his name, is what it meant.
Rory, did he like you? The rings are... Oh. There's probably no dogs allowed down there. Just for that.
Is it like a prompter? Cut grass and we do our stuff?
Not quite, but pretty close.
Really? Did not know that.
See what it says. Doesn't say anything, but you better be able to pick it up though.
Yeah, we'll pick it up. Yeah. Rory's like, yay!
Grass, this is all I wanted, just to go pee and poo. Because I can't pee and poo in the hotel room. Oh, there's a poop walk. Wait, where do we have breakfast again? We have Ingrid's Cafe.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting for Grandma to use the washroom, and then we're gonna go walk around. Yeah, Rory. We're gonna go walk around. He's so happy.
You're thrilled, aren't you? Is this the best weekend of your life? Thrilled? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir? I woke up this morning, I was so sore. Like so sore. I'm gonna go walk around and go check out a few bike stores for some tires, or a tire, because the one I bought, I really don't like it. It's not that bad, but I mean, it's not what I would like. And I was just curious to see if, considering we're in like a big biking area, if I could find one. So we'll see if we can find one, just out of curiosity. But the first place I went into only had a couple that were the wrong, like not the right ones. And the ones that he did have that I was looking for, he already sold out of, because he says he only brings in a couple, and they sell it pretty quick for obvious reasons, because it's so hard to find. So,
Which doesn't make sense. You're literally saying that you know they're going to sell out of them, so why not bring in more then?
yeah, that's right. If you,
It actually makes
yeah,
sense.
it makes
I
sense.
only bring in a couple, but they sell out fast.
Yeah.
Then why not bring in more?
More, because then you'll sell more.
Yeah.
Because potentially, if they had the right size that I was actually looking for, maybe I would have bought one.
Yeah.
But you lost the sale because you don't bring enough of them in.
Yeah, that actually makes sense.
But then you have a whole bunch of other tires there that aren't selling. And then Grandma's looking for possibly a t-shirt, or a t-shirt or sweater? T-shirt from here. So we'll see if we can find anything. Otherwise, she's not in a huge she's not dying for one because this isn't her first time here. And she bought some stuff last time we were here. Alright, so that's store number 2. First place had at least one before, but second one had, well, this one had one, but super small size. It's really getting busy up here. And another hot day. It's supposed to be like, what, 30 degrees today again?
Yeah.
31?
Yeah, we didn't
31.
have coffee everything leaving here.
Well, maybe
Sooner.
Maybe sooner.
12:30-ish.
Yeah, probably like 12 to 12:30 like that.
Yeah, that'd be all right.
Next time we meet, we will be back in Vancouver. Just leaving the hotel now after walking around the village for a little bit. It's 11:44. My legs are tired and Rory is hot, so we're done. Bye.